Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this, and this is the OBD2 scanner for vehicle card readers by TOPDON. AL200 is the model with the auto check engine light. This is the OBD2 diagnostic scanner tool. Right now it's offering at Amazon for only $33.99. And if you are a Prime member, you get a free 1-day shipping. Okay, this one has a high quality and reliable and long service life. It comes with a diagnostic cable. It has a backlight display, the exit button, OBD2 connector, and then the enter button and scroll button. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So it is double envelope. Let's see. Wow. So this is top 2 and then DON. Come with the enter button, which is pretty tactile. And then it has an up and down arrow to scroll, and then exit button. Then there's an engine symbol. It says for all 1996 and newer OBD2 compliant vehicles. It says right here, it has, let me take out this clear. Oh, lucky I didn't have to cut it. I need to go get the scissor and cut it. So here is your OBD2 connector with a bunch of pin right there. And here is a unit. It comes with the plastic protector right here. So it's kind of scratchy, but you can take it out. So I don't think this one requires any of the battery. This is made in China. Let's see over here if this comes with any of the instruction manual. Yep. So it comes with this instruction manual. And then here is the table of content. So it comes with this manual with the picture, how to operate. So right here it says the TOPDON RT Link 200 can OBD2/EOBD. Code reader provides D-wires with the easy and quick access to diagnostic trouble code and their definitions on all OBD2 compliant vehicle worldwide. It is compact with the powerful enough to retrieve the same information as some expensive scanners do. And then it says works on all the 1996 and newer vehicles. can use it on cars and trucks, reads and clear diagnostic trouble codes, and turns off check engine light. Support multiple trouble code requests, generic codes, pending codes, and manufacturer's specific codes. You also retrieve vehicle information, which is the VIN number on 2002 and newer vehicle that support Model 9. Mode 9. Easy to read, crystal clear, backlit 2-line LCD display. Standalone unit with a no more for additional laptop computer to operate. It's a compact device and conveniently fit in the palm of your hand. Safety communicates with the onboard computer. Power via detachable OBDII cable and no batteries needed. So yeah, like I said, this one does not need any other battery. And if in case you got any tech support, there's a support at TOPDON.com. Or you could also visit the website at www.topdon.com. I will also include on the link that is going to show on within the description, so you can go and then check out their Amazon store. If you decide to go ahead and purchase this, you could check them out. And if you're a Prime member, it's a free 1-day shipping. I will also do like a review on this product, but I need to connect this to my vehicle to do a demonstration video. So please stay tuned for that. All right. This is just a unboxing video. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.